I've been testing both Cursor and Cline, and in this quick review, I'll break down what each one offers, where they shine, and which might be right for you. Let's start with Cursor. It's a full code editor built on top of VS Code, but powered with AI. It supports models like Claude 3.5 and GPT-4, and the real game changer? You can literally chat with your entire code base. Want to refactor a class, fix a bug, or generate a new feature? Just ask. It has an agent mode too, where the AI not only suggests code, but actually runs commands and handles multi-step tasks inside your editor. Cursor is sleek, powerful, and perfect for devs who want everything in one place. Now, Cline. It's not a standalone editor. It's a VS Code extension, open source, and extremely developer-friendly. The core idea is plan, then act. You tell it what to do, it shows you a step-by-step plan, and only executes with your approval. It feels like pairing with a thoughtful teammate. It can edit multiple files, search your codebase, and even run terminal commands, just like Cursor. But the key difference? Cline is highly transparent and customizable, making it ideal if you want more control over what the AI does. Let's talk trade-offs. Cursor feels more polished and integrated. Great if you want a plug-and-play solution. But it's not open source and heavier on system resources. Cline, while a bit more manual, gives you transparency and flexibility, and it's open source. Big plus for teams that care about privacy or want to self-host. So which one's better? If you want a smooth, all-in-one AI coding environment with smart agents doing the heavy lifting, go with Cursor. If you'd rather keep using VS Code, value open source tools, and like the idea of reviewing the AI's plan before anything changes, try Cline. That's it for this review. If you found it helpful, hit that super thanks to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech comparisons. See you in the next one.